In this video, I will show you how to continue call across devices in WhatsApp without hanging up. So for that, if your call is continuing in your phone or in any other devices, but make sure it is done through a call link. So once your call was done through a call link, you can simply open up any web browser, then go to whatsapp.com, or you can simply open up WhatsApp app. From here, click on the same contact with whomever you were in call with. Here you will find the same call link with whom you were in call with. Simply click on join call from another device. Once you do it, you will instantly be joined in the call, and the call in your previous device will be hanged up, while the call in the other end or the other persons will not be hanged up. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.